Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for LLC in Maryland online. Start by checking name availability and choosing a registered agent, then gather organizer details. Prepare and review your articles of organization and select member or manager management. Create an account on the Maryland filing portal, complete the online Form 1, submit payment, and save your confirmation and receipts for future records. Gather required documents and information before you start the online filing. Make sure your articles of organization include the LLC name, purpose, and management structure. Confirm your registered agent has consented and provide their Maryland street address. Decide whether you'll use member or manager management and list all organizer names. Keep digital copies of identification and an accepted payment method to complete the filing smoothly. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful content. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for reliable comfort during long filing sessions. I love the durability and the no-fuss warranty. It pairs surprisingly well with paperwork. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Log into the Maryland Business Portal and start a new LLC filing using Form 1. Follow prompts to enter your article's details, registered agent information, and management type. Upload any required consent or organizer documents, then review everything carefully. Use a credit card or accepted payment for the filing fee and download the confirmation and stamped document. Keep these records for EIN application and state tax registration later.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.